Hi everyone, my name is Chris Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing everything. Today I like to draw a manga villain for you. It's a little different from all the other manga ones I've been doing for you lately. So we're going to make this thing based on a very thin head type, but a thick neck, to show that he has some sort of non-cute villainous look, which is the thin head, but he's strong because of the thick neck. So let's add the ears. We'll sketch this out and we'll finish it in black. Straight down here will be center line. Eye line is up high. We'll have thin eyes, so we're going to make them nice and long, equidistant apart, meaning same distance apart from the center line, both eyes. Kind of almond shaped, and they're very thin. Very thin eyeballs, eyes, whatever. And we're going to add a little pupil here and a shine, and a little blackness. Thick upper eyelids, very tapered. I'm going to move this over a touch. So you have to make them slightly toward the inside to look like they're looking forward. Slight crease over the eyes. And very thin, long eyebrows. I'm not making them exactly even. This is up, this is down, because I want to give some variety. Long bridge of the nose. We'll end that here. A little tip, like so. You can add a small nostril if you like. We will make him, give him a small mouth, but make him kind of happy. It's not the kind of happy that you're hoping to see when you meet him. If he looks at you like this, not going to be a good day. All right, here we go. I'm going to bring this up a little bit here, just a little adjustment so I know what I'm doing. A little bit of eyelashes here, and bring the eyelids up a little bit. And we're going to now taper this a little more, because right now he's got a little bit of a jug chin. You don't want that. There we go. That's better. Still thick neck, but I'm going to make it a little straighter. So things are changing as we go along. What's with that? Well, that's what happens. You have to give yourself the freedom to change things unless you know exactly where every line is supposed to be before you do it. Frankly, most of these drawings I do for you are made up as I go along. I think that's a fun way to do it, rather than say, here, I drew this, you draw that. So I have to do that. But when I do my own original characters, I do the same thing. I change them a million times as I go along, and it's fun. All right, so let's give him a little hair here, but we're going to make it long, something a little different, something well, let me just put it this way, you wouldn't say, Mom, look at my new boyfriend. You wouldn't get the most positive response. All right, so let us work that in. You ready? Careful on this. I always like to do the difficult part first, because if I finish an entire drawing and then I go to the difficult part and I mess it up, what did I do at the beginning of the drawing for? What? That can send somebody into therapy for years. All right, let's see. I'm going to color this in more. Yeah, that's good. Make it nice and sharp. Bad guys have sharp features. Good guys usually don't. Unless it's American comics, then they do. Here, let me do something at this point. I'm going to add a little bit of gray right under here as a shadow, as a highlight. A little on the side and under here. But I'm going to get rid of this shine. I just don't think it works here. Okay. A little bit of dimension on the ear. Adam's apple. An errant hair too near the forehead. And you can make the hair look sharp like that too. It's almost a point to the hair. It's just a design element. The hair is a design. There you go. There's a manga bad guy. I hope you enjoyed it. And I upload new videos every week. I hope you'll subscribe. Please subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.